Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create a store procedure in SQL. Okay, so first of all, create a database. Actually, I have already created a database. If you don't know to create a database and tables, please watch my previous video. Okay, so let's get started. I will be giving a new query, selecting the correct database, then create proc. Proc is a short form for procedure. You can also use procedure also. stp underscore select as begin end. You can write as select from the table name. I have already created a table and I have already inserted the record in the previous video. So now we'll execute it. The procedure has been created successfully. So you will get your store procedure here. We have to just refresh it and see there is the store procedure. Okay, so now we will close this and open this modify, and then see you will get like this. So you just have to select this and execute. See, there's your record. Okay, so that is the select store procedure which has been executed successfully. Now we'll create a insert store procedure. Create proc stp insert. Okay, so now I will write some parameters which will actually store the value of the which you have been passing for inserting in the table. So first of all, I will write a parameter like username. So here @, so username as varchar @100, then comma, then password as varchar 100, comma, okay, then first name as varchar, comma. These parameters are actually created to just store the value which you will send. These are mostly useful when we are doing the coding in CS file. Mobile number is varchar, then the email ID is varchar, okay, so that's created. So now we write as, then begin, then end. Now we will write the insert store procedure. Okay. Insert into the table name. The table name is tbl underscore username. Okay, so now we'll write the brackets, then here values, and then close this. Okay, so now we will write here the column name. You will just drag the column name here and then comma, password, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, mobile number, comma, email ID, close. Okay, so now just take this values down. Okay, so now in the value section we will just use this parameter which actually holds the values. So this values will be passed to this column. If you just use the first name here, so the first name value will be inserted in the password. So be careful while just inserting this parameter. Okay, so now username, here username, password, then the first name, now the last name, Actually these mistakes are made every time, but actually even I have made this mistake when I was started in this field. Okay, so here is the insert store procedure which has been created. Okay, so now we will execute it. See, the store procedure completed successfully. So here I will just refresh it. There is my store procedure. Okay, so now I will close this and we will modify and we will insert the values. Okay, so inserting the values is like in double quotes. The values actually which is the string, so we use it inserting the single quotes. If it is a numeric int, so we do not need the single quotes. Okay, username I will write here, for example this, then here comma, then the password I will pass here, comma, then the first name, then comma, then the last name, comma, the mobile number, comma, then the email ID. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so now when we have to insert the values, you just have to select this store procedure name and the values. Just select it and click execute. See, it is written one row affected. So here now the row has been affected. So now we will look it when select top 1000 rows and see. Okay, third row which has been inserted. Okay, so now we will use and create a update store procedure. Okay, so new query, create proc stp underscore update. Okay, so now here we will create an one more parameter which is id, which we need actually for telling the query that which record exactly it want to update. If we do not provide the id, the problem will be like it will update the whole table. Okay, so you have to particularly specify the id. So now the other parameters are same as given in the insert store procedure. So I will just copy that. Okay, then as begin end. Okay, now update the table name, set, then the column name equals to the parameter, then password equals to password, comma, first name equals to first name, comma, last name equals to last name, comma, mobile number equals to mobile number, comma, email ID equals to email ID. Done. Okay, but this is only for the updating of the table. It will update the whole table if you execute this. So we have to specify the id, where the id column equals to id. Okay, so now execute it. Okay, command completed successfully. So now you will see the store procedure here. Yes, there it is. Okay, so now we will modify. Okay, so now we will pass on the values. I will just copy the same values and I will change here. Okay, this is for ID, so I will just pass here the ID number 3, and then I just want to change its surname. Okay, so here I will change the surname even here also. Okay, done. And then password also I will change. Alright, so now just select this names and then the store procedure name and then execute it. See, one row affected. Alright, so now you will see here 1000 rows. See, the password has been changed, the surname has been changed, the email address also has been changed. Okay, so this is the update query. Now we will create a delete query. So now create proc stp underscore delete. Here we only need the ID because we just have to specify him that what exactly and which record we have to just delete it. Okay, so now right here delete from the table where ID equals to this ID. Okay, that's done. So now command created successfully, means our store procedure has been created successfully. See here, delete. Okay, so now we will try to delete some record by it. Okay, so now I am having 3 rows, so I will now delete the third row. So its ID is 3, so now I will pass here the ID 3. Okay, and then execute, one row affected. Okay, so now we just have to see execute it. Okay, so now the third row has been deleted. These are 4 store procedures which we have learned today. Try it by yourself. Thank you for watching the video.